Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1966 Corvette Roadster. It's a 427, 4.25 horse, L72 motor. Numbers matching. 4-speed trans. Correct casting numbers on the engine, transmission, and the rear end on this car. Teak steering wheel. AM/FM radio, power antenna, beautiful paint, 984, it's Sunfire yellow. Really hear the solid lifters in this motor. All the correct hoses, power clamps, shielding. Really nice. Knockoff wheels wrapped in gold lines. Side exhaust. Also has transistorized ignition. Posi rear with 370 gears. Interior's original. 79,459 original miles on this car. Power windows. There's your Teak wheel. Got a custom stereo in it with Bluetooth. Kick panels down there, those are easily removable when I take them out. Looks like all the gauges are working perfectly. Even the clock works. Radio also has aux in and USB. 4-speed power windows. Man, it sounds amazing. Such a nice car. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. I'll talk to you in a few. Thanks a lot.